Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll begin by verifying essentials. Both devices must be on the same network, and the display must be ready to receive. On the laptop, open Display Settings or the Connect Quick Action to start discovery. This is the first actionable step. Make sure any firewall or VPN that blocks local traffic is disabled temporarily because it prevents detection. Once your target appears in the device list, select it so the laptop begins negotiating a secure connection. Before we move into now focus on how you want content delivered. Choose Mirror to duplicate the laptop screen or Extend to use the external display as a second workspace. Use project options, Windows, Win+P, or Mac OS displays preferences to adjust scaling, resolution, and arrangement so text and UI aren't cut off. If the target device asks for permission or a PIN, approve it to complete the handshake. Once settings match your needs, test a video and a document to confirm audio routing and frame rate are acceptable. To finalize, stop mirroring through the same menu you started from so resources free up on both devices. Abrupt power-offs can leave the receiver in a hung state. If you notice lag or stutter, lower the streaming resolution or move both devices to a less congested 5 GHz band and test again. And if connection fails repeatedly, restart the laptop's network adapter and the receiver, because most persistent failures resolve after a quick reboot of both endpoints.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.